Hi, it's Frank from Mann, and today I'm here with Pierce Beekeeping Equipment, speaking with Nancy, and we're going to talk about their cut comb cutters as well as their hot knives. They've got some quality equipment. They're a California-based company. Everything they sell is made in America. So Nancy, why don't you tell us a little bit about these comb cutters?
So we have two different sizes of comb cutter. We have 2x4 and 4x4. It makes the cutting comb much easier, and it comes with the manual controller. You can adjust the temperature however you like it, but we also have some guidance on where the yellow section is the ideal temperature.
So we can
cutting
set
the
it to
comb.
our own working speed,
Absolutely. Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So,
So we have same thing in 4x4 as well.
so if you're cutting a full section of cut comb or half combs, you've got a cutter for us.
We got cutter for
Perfect.
yes.
Why don't you tell me about your hot knife?
So we also have Uncapping a heated knife. It also comes with the controller. One of the knife comes with the controller and makes uncapping much easier. And this is all manufactured in California, Simi Valley, and it's a family-owned business. And we just love making these products.
We love those family-owned businesses, and Mann Lake is proud to carry these quality products. Not only do we carry them, I'm a personal user of them, and I think they're fantastic. Thanks for your time,
Thank you
Nancy.
so much.